Hey guys, I'm Trayton, and this is my 2018 Razor XP Turbo that I bought from Copart at the Salvage auction. As you can see, it's been fully rebuilt, and we're just waiting for level 3 inspection before I can take it out on the trails. But I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like when I bought it and how we fixed it. So I'm just gonna jump right into it when I was at Copart, waiting to pick it up. Still currently sitting here waiting for the old Razor. We got cars coming. Just sitting over here in this tent with the vlog squad. Part of the crew. We're just chilling. Got some good deals coming, baby. Still on the trailer, waiting for Trev to get home. I don't know how we're gonna get it off yet. Definitely jacked up. I know why it didn't start at the auction, because every single thing was unplugged. Good news, potentially, hopefully. Inside, everything looks pretty good. Gonna need new seats and harness, but whatever. Doors work, even though it's a little bent. Light that broke. And these arms are tweaked a little bit. This one, not sure. That could be stock. This one, definitely tweaked. But besides that, just dirty. Little turbo over here. Let's see how she's doing. Snuggled up in there. Good girl. Good girl. Hopefully no one put rocks down this or anything. It smells like 91, baby. Ooh, that smells good. Air boxes didn't break. Surprised. Normally do in crashes. Not bad. We'll take it. Top cage definitely a little tweaked. Unfortunate to hear or to see. Definitely a little wonky. Front light busted, unfortunately. That sucks. But yeah. Other than that, I think we're ready to go. I'm gonna go lay down until Trev gets home. My back hurts. Now it's nighttime. Trev's finally home. We're trying to figure out how to get this biatch down this super steep ramp without ruining it. Thought about a few things, maybe a jack. We don't have one. We thought of a new idea. Ron, thank you for installing the winch on your trailer. We know you had a remote for it. We don't have that. So we had to do this the old school way. The old screwdriver trick. Thanks, Ron. It's coming down, baby. She's looking good. Right now is when a jack would be super nice.
How's this gonna work?
It's gonna clear.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're right. Alright.
Wait. Where's all the weight at on this front right now? It's not, oh, it's on this front left. Oh yeah, dude, turn it to the right like it's going. So this tire gets weight. Right? Turn it to the left.
Yeah, we're gonna need the front end this way to get it back.
Yeah.
Too.
So that'll help.
Yeah. But I mean, like, not a lot. Yeah, that's good. It'll follow.
Yeah. Here, yeah, I'll tell you when this made it to the street. looking good. Rear tires are about to come off the ramp. Could get fun. Ron, we're doing you some good. We cleaned her out, got all the Glamis sand out of there. She's gonna be ready to rip, better than ever for the next use. We're getting her put back together now. Beauty. Taylor, ready to go in the garage. We're not pushing the bitch. Old Yeller's coming out from Mexico. She's riding rough, but you know, we'll see what happens. I'll let you know how it goes. We don't have Kyle's inside playing Fortnite, and he won't come video for us. Jake's at work. Sad day. All right, we moved to flip-flops, so we're chilling now. Me and Trev just did a wee bit of wiring down under the hood. That old box was, all those were jacked up, all these were pulled out. Got them all put back in. Auxiliary power, we're ready to rip. Trev, I'm gonna turn the key, so don't be alarmed.
Uh-oh, spinning, bro.
Oh yeah, baby. Damn, I wish I could turn my flash off. Boom. $33.5 hours. 610 miles. Wow. She's a peach. Yeah, baby! Woo! 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 Do you feel that? Do you feel it? Woo! Woo! Never felt so good, baby. Step one is complete.